And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can put a video into a circle. We've got two clips here and the guy talking. This is one I want to put into a circle, so we'll drag that first into video channel 1. Make sure it's highlighted. If not, left click on it in the timeline. I use the default layout, and then you find basic, cutout and mask. We need mask. Use circle. And then you can adjust it with a left click drag, and if you hover over the center, left click drag, you can adjust the position. Let me use maybe something like this. Afterwards, switch back to basic, scroll down until you find the canvas, open a drop down and add a color. It's going to be the color of our frame. I'll make it white. Right click in the timeline on your clip and you have to create a compound clip. Alt G would be the shortcut for it. I will switch back to the mask. We use the circle again, and this now masks the clip and our white background. Position it somewhat in center, and then you have to readjust it because I haven't used the default values here. I have to play around a little bit until I find a good position and a good thickness for the frame, but this should be good. Now we can drag this clip onto video channel 2. And I place my other clip below. Be careful when you select this and you want to reposition it. When you have the mask selected, you will only reposition that. You want to switch back to basic for this clip, and then you can reposition the entire thing. And I want to scale it down a little bit. And this is usually what you can see, for example, on YouTube when it comes to these commentary videos. So mask, we adjust the position of the mask, and basic, we adjust the position of the clip. And this is how you can put a video into a circle using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.